So she's ready to rumble.
You might be wondering why are we making a video about taking down decorations and then putting it back up. Well,
it's a pretty quiet morning all around this morning. Most people are sleeping or just quietly enjoying the morning. I already got up and went on a business conference just to fine-tune some things that are being worked on, and now was just relaxing here for a brief few minutes before deciding on the next thing I'm going to tackle. So at the moment I'm just going to go get myself sorted out with some breakfast so I have fuel and energy for the day, for the rest of the day, and just trying to see what things we're going to do, because at this moment I feel like I just want to go on strike for the rest of today, and we just need to make do with the things that are already prepared and sorted. But if you know, you know. We'll just see how it goes and play it by ear, and I'm pretty sure that everything will go perfectly fine once the place is up and stirring. We'll see. We'll just put one foot before the other and keep doing that and remain standing for today. And hopefully we all aren't putting too much pressure on ourselves at this moment in time, and just trying to absorb the moment as we close out one year and welcoming another. So I'm just looking at what the future next year holds and all the different things that I want to do and achieve, and looking at how to make sure that all of the nuts and bolts are in place and the chains are in the right position to turn everything over, and ensuring that all of the spanners that could go into the works are being addressed from now, so that we can take those journeys and achieve the successes that we need to. There's a lot of things that still need to be done to cement or move to Jamaica. Most of the things in such as like bills and all of those other things, getting things in our name and getting our foot firmly on the ground, most of those things are now done. But there are some other things that we want to do so we can get ourselves in a secure footing here in this country, and just continue to get those preparation work done. And I'm looking forward to the new challenges that we will take on, business, social, personal challenges that we will take on, because we're looking at a new year. We've achieved some of the things that were already on our vision board. We have new things that we're adding, we have things that we're working through, and so it is my prayer that everything will work together for our good. And so we look forward to seeing the part we play, the people who will come alongside us and those who are coming to play a role as part of our as destiny helpers, whether we are being theirs or they are being ours, as we chart our course into 2024. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm quite optimistic about what the future holds, and this is the right time and the best place to be to make it happen. I feel that I'm in one of my best states currently, mentally and emotionally, to take on the challenges that are ahead and to fulfill some of those things that have been on my vision board that I did not find the time to focus on, so I can focus on that now. So we'll see how everything unfolds as we keep moving. Today I'm going to be making some yam fufu as part of our menu. I've already gone ahead and peeled the yam, and I've blended it up. It's yellow yam. I've blended it up with about 500 ml of water, and I've already put some oil in here. So I've put some vegetable oil in, but you can put whatever oil you have. It's about a tablespoon and a pinch of salt. So I'm now going to put it on the stove and get it going. As it's drying, I'm just trying to keep it from going lumpy so that it maintains its smoothness as it cooks. And no, I haven't added anything to it. This is the color it has naturally as it was cooking. And now this is it dried down. So all I'm going to do now is to just leave it so that it steams a little bit and get it cooked. So the color is because the yam gets oxidized through the cooking process. So that's why it has that color. It's yellow yam, so when you look at it, it's yellow when it's peeled and cut up. I'm having some yellow yam fufu with some chicken stew and lettuce. Eliona is going to have some macaroni and cheese with lettuce and fried chicken. It's been quite a long day. We've been meaning to get up early and take down our Kwanzaa decorations before we did anything, but we decided we were going to have a lie-in, and so we didn't get around to that. So now we want to just get it over and done with before the day has gone on any further. So we're just going to get started on that and show you how we close off our Kwanzaa by some of Eliona's fun that she does once we take the decorations down. So just gently peel them off. I'll get you the bag to put them in once you've done. Okay. Just put it on there. Those did really well.
I actually thought those were the first time.
Yeah, and also because they're heavier, I thought that they would fall down.
I'm not going to be careful with these balloons because they were such a frustration. So you see the end of the script that I'm
Yep. So we're just going to go through and just take all of them down. We've already, some of them already are down, so like the fans that were in the roof, they fell, some of them fell down a day or two ago, and we decided we weren't going to put them back up since they're helping us by coming down.
Ta-da!
So we just have a few more sections to do, and then we'll show you how Eliona ends her Kwanzaa, final Kwanzaa decoration moments. And lastly, we have the banner. That did really well. It stood up to the wind. throughout and it didn't fall off, so that was quite awesome. As for the kinara, we're just going to take the candles out that's left over now and then just pack it away, clean it and pack it away. So she's ready to rumble.
You might be wondering why I'll be making a video about taking down decorations and then putting it back up. Well, since the balloons are on the naughty list, the only thing we can do is execute. So I have my pins here and I'm going to be throwing them at the balloons.
Ready?
Which color should I choose to eliminate? Pink.
Okay.
Because I despise the color and I despise these balloons.
So let's go.
The sound is going to be so loud. And I miss. And I have missed it. That's it.
Well, I'm sure the pink is not going to be that hard to spot. This is how I'm going to do it.
So which one are you going to aim for? Number one,
I'm
two,
going to
three.
aim for this one, but I'm not going to try and be a dark expert like you. I'm just going to be.
It's going to be so loud.
Oh, it didn't pop! I got it. Oh, that one made a sound. Right, I'm go.
I'm going to just.
No! It doesn't that bad.
Okay.
The rest.
I want to try one.
Okay.
So I'm going to choose green.
You're going to throw it. I'm sure you're not going to get it up there, but have a good luck trying.
Put my No!
Yep, it bumped off and there it is. It's there. I'm just going to go close and poke it because that's how it's going to work. I think that needs a little bit more weight, so we need to make sure we get you the dart in again, so you have it.
It actually touched it and it just
Yeah,
back.
because it's not heavy enough. It's over there. So, do you want to just do like I did? So Eliona's dart wasn't working, so now she came up with a dart pole. So let's see how it's going to work. Ready?
Let go.
Oh,
I'm scared.
have darted Eliona. She's kitted out in her gears. So let's see how this is going to work. And she takes a breath and she lunges and she aims and now she strikes. Yay! She did it! Aha! She is now on a roll and there she goes. And again. Oh my goodness. Fierce, fierce, fierce. Oh, she's coming under the attack to attack. Whoa! And that one got it. And now they're going down.
It bent my knee though.
Shakka Zulu have nothing on her.
That man.
And now she's
He's
going.
like 3 times my height.
But he was an awesome warrior. And here she goes. Yes, she's got it down. And 2 to go. Woo! And 3, 2, 1.
Mic drop. And now the balloons are executed. And just like that, Kwanzaa has come to an end.